So before we move on, we're actually in the presence of royalty in terms of UK hip-hop. If you look over in the left corner of this room out here, we've got people from all of the old crews, Street Machine, Broken Glass. We've also got Evo here as well. Many people have come up to me and been asking me about Evo, and I just want to make sure that everybody knows, not only did Street Machine and these guys in this corner here lay the foundation for breaking in this country, Evo changed the game for breaking full stop worldwide. It's one of the first b-boys using power from low and going high, which is much harder than doing air-flares and going low. This guy could do things in both directions. He came up with moves that people are doing now that don't even know where it came from. But this guy's from Manchester and around these areas, and I just want to make sure that everybody gives him a shout and a massive mention for Street Machine as well. We always got to respect our history, and we always got to honour it, and so I just want to make sure that... So all the way from Canada, man who needs no introduction, Mighty Zulu Kings, Electric Boogaloo's fam. Green Tech, make some